Guys, remember my video with sodium and a huge block of ice? Watch it if you still haven't seen. Today I want to do the same but with a coconut. I think it will be cool. Let's open the jar with sodium. Well, you already know that sodium is metal. But look, I cut it like butter. Now I want to show you how sodium behaves when I put it in ordinary water. Gonna take just a small piece, the same as it was with the watermelon. Ready? Watch carefully. Yes, that's what I said. The same small piece destroyed a huge block of ice in the last video. I don't know why, but sodium in water turns into a small ball. Look at this slow motion. Now. And another time. Okay, let's open the coconut. It seems that this is how coconuts should be opened. So, for the first time, I'll take a small piece, just to check and ensure my protection. Ready? It was loud, but let's take a bit more this time. Oh man, look at this smoke. Holy. Okay, but it looks like the coconut is still intact. But there is no more liquid inside. That's why I'll pour ordinary water into it and continue. Okay, let's do it. What the? Now run. Oh yes, I expected to see something like that on the first try, but the coconut turned out to be much stronger. Guys, do you like experiments with sodium? Want more? You know what to do. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.